about the tweets which you complained about. Here is a short video whereby Museveni himself praises his own son on whatever he does on social media platform, most especially on X. Here is a short video where Museveni himself praises his own son on what he does on X. Kano ke katambi akalaga Museveni nga musanyufu n'ebikolwa bya mutabani byakola ku mutimbagano.
About Muhoozi's tweets, there is something positive in those tweets. The positive thing is that you can see he's concerned about the issues of passion. You remember passion? Okay, that's good because other people have got other different passions. Other people have got passion for stealing, but for him he has got passion for all these people's causes. But the problem is when, that's why I totally encourage him to be more in contact with His Excellency Kagame about editing the tweets. The negative point is that you should not always externalize your passions.
So, you had it clear from him. He said that whatever Muhoozi does on X, that is his passion. Every human being on this planet Earth express their passion. So, whatever Muhoozi does on social media, more especially on X, that is his passion of kidnapping, killing innocent Ugandans. Himself, Museveni, said in this statement that he encourages his son to get in contact with his uncle, Paul Kagame of Rwanda. The Europeans, the Americans, the Canadians, and other big nations. You know the man Museveni is talking about. He's not in good books with other countries, including his neighboring countries. So when Museveni encourages his own son to be guided or to be in contact with Paul Kagame, then gets to know exactly who is behind his son, and whatever he's doing is well manufactured and organized by the family, including Museveni himself and his young brother George Kakano Akatambi. Let me repeat this short video, then we'll get to know. Nabagambye nze ndi naddibanga. Lero twogera lunyanyimbe tugenda gattamu Uganda kubanja gale nsetegere obubaka buno. Bagenda okukola era mbo bakwata babandika national platform nga mwelaba comedy mukoze bu short video nga mu exposing Museveni n'ebikole bazaakola buli muntu amuwakanya amusiba amutulugunya amusako gwa yekera oba gwa butujju. Kankadde mu kawuli bulungi nnyo.
About Muhoozi's tweets, there is something positive in those tweets. The positive thing is that you can see he's concerned about the issues of passion. You remember passion? Okay, that's good because other people have got other different passions. Other people have got passion for stealing, but for him he has got passion for all these people's causes. But the problem is when, that's why I totally encourage him to be more in contact with His Excellency Kagame about editing.
So you heard it, ladies and gentlemen? So no more doubt. So, furthermore,
as we train
furthermore about the statement which I aired out a few minutes back about merging UPDF with SFC and promoting his tribal men in the army so that they can control all offices. And this short video of 53 seconds Museveni is trying to identify all those serving SFC officers who trained with his son. But when you observe in this video, there is no any indigenous Ugandan from any other tribe. All are from one tribe. Where are the other indigenous Ugandans? They are nowhere to be heard or seen in this video. Mukatambi kengendo okuzanya. Kakujira kiri ekinyusi ky'egende Museveni agezaako nnyo okuteeka SFC bagigatte mu UPDF ebuliremu ninga bamaze okuzimba ebitundu byonna ebiri mu magye nga byonna by'Abanyarwanda ne groupu yaabwe ya Museveni. Mukatambi kano ka second 5 Museveni agezaako kulaga ayita abo aba training ne Muhoozi ne bonna nga temuli Musoga, temuli Muganda, temuli Munyoro, temuli Mutoolo, bonna Banyarwanda era bayimuse mugenda bawulira amanya gaabwe mulyoke mutegere kye mbagamba nti muzuukuke kaakano.
As we train the newer people like this, the CDF now, General Muhoozi, many others. That group of General Muhoozi, are there some who are here? Who are here now? Stand up and we see you. Oh, Namanya. This Namanya is his name. What is his name? Oh, the Kamijira. Oh, and the other one? Kandere. You are... These are also intellectuals, but and this one here, Keita, yes, Keita. Now there are quite many.
Are we together? Okay, no problem. We are moving slowly by slowly. At the end of the day, you'll get to know the real Museveni. All right. Also, in this small video of 33 seconds, Muhoozi himself, he came out during the High Command sitting or gathering at the State House in Entebbe. He said that he's going to engage or to fight the Abani criminals. Who are the Abani criminals? As I've stated in a few minutes back, that Museveni is a rebel who knows how to camouflage to blackmail his opponents via using different statements or using different ways of defeating his enemies. So, in the statement whereby they say that they are trying to trace the labels in Mukono Kampala Wachiso who are affiliated to National Platform and to the German ambassador. Himself, before all this to happen, Muhoozi himself, he mentioned that he's going to deal with the urban criminals, which means this statement was a premeditated statement whereby Museveni himself and his son, they were preparing something which is now visible in public, that they were cooking something before even everything to come out in public as we see it right now. So here's the short video.
Your Excellency and members, we're also dealing with urban criminality in Greater Kampala Metropolitan Region, that is Kampala, Wakiso, and Entebbe. We are, however, closely monitoring those who seek to cause trouble for our people, and will firmly deal with them without fear or favor, in conformity with the law.
All right. That was a premeditated statement whereby they were preparing to do something which they are doing right now. So, for more reference, here is the video of 1 minute and 18 seconds, which was broadcasted at Natasha Broadcasting Service, that is NBS TV, confirms whatever I'm stating right now and what is coming against National Platform and Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu. ka video kalika akamuhozi kabadde kalaga nti yogera obubaka bino biranga terina baawo batuzo olukunganira abo abadumizi bonna bamaje nga bamaze okufumba bistory bagenda okuleka okuteeka mu public babiteeke ne ku president babiteeke ne ku national trump bachuwere nga baga bayina abayekera mu Kampala oyo Muhoozi mukadakiika ako kati ngenda bazanyira Akatambi akali ku NBS kebazanye benyini nga kalaga ebigendo bya Museveni na buli kimukuba njagadde nkole video ya lero nga